Good morning to all. 9th Max exercise 1.1 5th sum. Represent the following sets in set builder form. Third sum. T is equal to the set of all Tamil month in year. Here descriptive form is given. We want to change set builder form. So D is equal to right corollary bracket in between x such that x is a Tamil month in a year. Then fourth sum E, the set of odd whole number less than 9. Here also discrete form is given. We want to change set builder form. E is equal to x such that x is odd numbers, x belongs to whole number, x less than 9. Then sixth sum, represent the following set in descriptive form. Here set builder form is given. We want to change descriptive form. B is the set of English month beginning with J. B is the set of English month beginning with J. Second sum, Q is equal to 7, 11, 17, 19, 23 and 29 is given. This is a roster form. We want to change descriptive form. Q is the set of all prime numbers between 5 and 31. So 7, 11, 17, 19, 23, 29. Q is the set of all prime numbers between 5 and 31. Then third part, R. R is equal to x such that x belongs to natural numbers, x less than 5. Here set builder form is given. We want to change descriptive form. R is the set of all natural numbers less than 5. Then last sum, fourth one, S equal to x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. So here set builder form is given. We want to change descriptive form. So S is the set of all English consonant. S is the set of all English consonant is descriptive form. Types of sets. First one, empty set or null set. A set consists of no elements is called the empty set or null set or void set. For example, A is equal to x such that x is an odd integer and divisible by 2. So here x is odd number, divisible by 2 is no numbers. Therefore, A is equal to empty set or pi. So empty set means a set consists of no elements is called as empty set. Singleton set, a set which has only one elements is called a singleton set. Singleton set mean a set having only one elements. For example, A is equal to x such that x less than 5. So A is equal to only 4. A having only one elements. 4 only one elements. Then finite set. A set with finite number of elements is called as finite set. A set having finite number of elements, that sets are called as finite set. First one, the set of family members, the set of indoor or outdoor games you play. This is finite set. Then next, infinite set. A set which is not finite is called as infinite set. Infinite set means a set having uncountable number of elements. For example, first one 5, 10, 15 and so on. The set of points in a line. The next, equivalent set. Two finite sets A and B are said to be equivalent if they contains the same number of elements. It is written as A equivalent to B. If A and B are equivalent sets, then n of A is equal to n of B. Two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if they contains the same number of elements. Is written as A equivalent to B. Set A equal to 2, 3, 4. Then set B is equal to 5, 6, 7. A and B are equivalent set because he set A having 3 elements, set B having 3 elements. So set A and B, number of elements in a set A and number of elements in set B are equal. Then equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if they contains exactly the same elements on, otherwise they are said to be unequal. Two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly same elements, otherwise they are said to be unequal. In other words, two sets A and B are said to be equal if first one, every elements of A is also on elements of B. Then second one, every elements of B is also on elements of A. So every elements of A is also in B. Then second one, every elements of A is also in B. Next, subset. Let A and B two sets. If every elements of A is also on elements of B, then A is called subset of B. We write A is subset of B. So subset means A and B two sets if every elements of A is also on elements of B. So now set B 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Then A is equal to 5. 5, 6. Every elements of A is also in B. A is a subset of B. The next, proper subset. Let A and B two sets. If A is a subset of B and A not equal to B, then A is called a proper subset of B and we write A is a subset of B. Let A and B two sets. If A is a subset of B and A not equal to B, then A is called the proper subset of B. We write A is a subset of B. Proper subset example, if A is equal to 1 to 5 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A is a proper subset of B. If A is a subset of B, A is a subset of B, but A and B are not equal, is called as proper subset. Thank you.